Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chapter 1 Introduction to Accounting, Lecture 4 Functions of Accounting. After this lecture, you will be able to understand the major functions of accounting and how they help a business operate efficiently. Accounting is not just about recording, it performs many important functions. But before proceeding to the today's lecture, let's just have a quick recap. Okay, what we have learned in previous lecture because it is directly related to this lecture. In the previous lecture, we have learned objectives of accounting. Number one, maintaining systematic records. Number two, determining profit or loss. Number three, determining financial position. Number four, providing information. Number five, assisting in decision making. And number six, meeting legal requirements. Now, how are these objectives achieved? Okay, answer is through the functions of accounting, which we are going to learn in today's lecture. What is a function? A function is the work or activity performed to achieve a particular objective. Example, your objective is stay healthy. Functions, to achieve this objective, you need to do regular exercise, eat nutritious food, sleep adequately. Okay. Similarly, objectives tells us what accounting aims to achieve. Functions tell us how accounting achieves those objectives. Okay. Let's discuss the same thing in detail. Objectives versus functions of accounting. First of all, the difference between the meaning of these two. Objectives means what we want to achieve. Function means how we achieve it. Focus. Objectives mainly focus on goal, result. Functions mainly focuses on activity, processes. Purpose. Objectives provide useful financial information, ensure accountability, aid decision making. However, functions record, classify, summarize, analyze, and communicate financial data. Nature, objective is end oriented, functions means oriented. Let's take few examples. In objectives, we have transparency in reporting, compliance with law, safeguarding assets. In functions, recording transactions, preparing statements, interpreting results. The easy memory trick to distinguish between the two: objective is the destination where you want to go, right? Function is the journey. Okay, so this is the main difference between the objective and functions. You need to remember this because it's a very important topic from exam perspective. Okay, let's move forward. Now discuss the main functions of accounting. Okay, accounting performs the following important functions. Number one, recording financial transactions. Number two, classifying transactions. Number three, summarizing information. Number four, analyzing and interpreting results. Number five, communicating financial information. These five functions form the complete accounting process. Okay, let's discuss these functions in detail with example to understand further. Function 1, recording. The first function is to record every financial transaction accurately and systematically. Examples are purchased goods, paid salary, received cash, sold goods. So how recording is important? Without proper recording, all future accounting work becomes inaccurate, right? So that's why recording is very important function of accounting. Let's move to function 2, classifying. After recording, similar transactions are grouped together. Examples: all cash transactions moves to cash account. All furniture related transactions move to furniture account. All salary related transactions move to salary account. This process is called classification. Function 3, summarizing. Thousands of record transactions are converted into meaningful reports. How? With the main reports, which includes number 1, trial balance, number 2, trading account, number 3, profit and loss account, number 4, balance sheet. Once you prepare these accounts, your recording transactions are converted into meaningful reports. Purpose of this: to present financial information in a simple and understandable form. So this is the main important function of summarizing. Number 4, analyzing and interpreting. Accounting does not end with preparing statements. The information must be analyzed. Example: is profit increasing? Are expenses too high? Is the business financially strong? Can the business repay its loans? All these examples help management to do their analysis and make the informed decisions. Okay, so this is another important function of accounting. Number 5, communicating. Accounting information is useful only when it reaches the right people. User includes owners, investors, banks, creditors, government, employees. All these people use accounting information in various ways. Owner used to decide to ascertain a profit or loss. Investor used to see whether business is earning profit and I should invest or not. Bank need to see the information whether they should assign a loan to the business or not. Same with creditors. They want to know whether business has the ability to repay, right? Government wants to see whether the proper taxes has been paid or not. Employees need this for their salaries. Purpose of communication is to help each user make better financial decisions. Key message: every function is connected. Skipping even one function can affect the quality and reliability of accounting information. Okay? Functions of accounting at a glance. 5 functions we have discussed. First one is recording. Recording every financial transaction systematically. Classifying. Grouping similar transactions together. Summarizing. Preparing meaningful financial reports. Analyzing and interpreting. Understanding the financial performance of the business. Communicating. Sharing financial information with users. Exam tip: never break the sequence. Sequence will always be recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and communicating. Okay? If you reshuffle these things, then it will not make any sense. Okay? So this is very important from exam perspective. Try to learn it. Now take a live example and how these transactions and everything will help us. Okay, so transaction is CB Smart Mart sold goods worth rupees 25,000 for cash. Now how function of accounting helps us? So first of all, you will need to do recording. Means sale is entered in the books. 25,000 you have sold goods. So this means this 25,000 transaction has been entered in the books, which is recording. Classifying. Now you have done what? sold goods means the sales accounts gets impacted and you have received cash. Cash account also gets impacted. So you have to classifying the posted to sales account and cash account. Now once classification has been done, what you need to do? Summarizing included in financial statements. Okay. Then you will move to analyzing. Helps determine whether sales are increasing. Okay. Because analysis will only be able to know that whether you are earning a profit or a loss, right? Or sales are increasing or decreasing. Okay, so analyzing is also an important function. Once these are done, you will need to do communicating. Information will be shared with the owners, banks, and other users where they can decide, okay, based on the financial statements that what they need to do. Okay, common mistakes students make. Okay, thinking recording alone is accounting. This is not the case. Confusing functions with objectives. We have already discussed there is a difference. Confusing functions with characteristics. We will discuss characteristics in upcoming chapters. Forgetting the correct sequence. So you need to avoid all the four mistakes. Okay. We have clear cut discussion in our slides. Just recap with those things and you will not make these mistakes in your exams. What you need to remember: objectives, why accounting is done; functions, what accounting does; characteristics, what accounting is like. Okay, characteristics we will discuss in the upcoming chapters. Okay, quick revisions. What we have discussed today: functions of accountings. There are five functions of accounting. Number one, recording. Number two, classifying. Number three, summarizing. Number four, analyzing and interpreting. Number five, communicating. One line summary: accounting collects financial information, organizes it, analyzes it, and communicates it to help user make informed decisions. Okay. So today's homework: learn all five functions of accounting. Write one real life example for each function. Prepare a flowchart showing the accounting process. Revise lecture 3 and 4 together. Okay. Coming up next, so lecture 5 we are going to discuss characteristics, features of accounting. In next lecture you will learn what are the characteristics of accounting, difference between functions and characteristics, practical example for each characteristic, important exam questions and memory tricks. Okay, so don't miss the next lecture. So here we are building strong concepts one lecture at a time. So our aim is to make accountancy simple, conceptual and accessible to every student. Stay connected with CB Pro Academy. If this lecture helped you, please like, subscribe to CB Pro Academy and press the bell icon for future lectures. Thank you for watching. Take care, keep learning, and I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.